This video will instruct you how to create a QuickTool with images in template mode. First, from the Home ribbon, toggle on Template Mode. Now from the View ribbon, select View Closed Panels, and then choose QuickTools from the options below. The QuickTool panel will be displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, to help create the QuickTool, we shall import a CAD model. Using Pick Features from the Home ribbon, we can now select the alignment features. When using CAD, CAM2 will record images based upon the screen display at the time the feature was picked. So prior to picking a feature, first orientate the CAD to the view you want. Now pick the features in the order you wish to measure them. Remember to rename the feature to assist the user. If GD&T is required, remember to assign the datum features. As we pick the features, we can also create the screenshots we need for the report. Here we will pick a hole pattern of 8 holes. We will also add a cone, a round slot, and a surface to scan. Once all the required features have been created, we need to add these to the QuickTool. From the Automation ribbon, select Create from Features. This will transfer the features into the QuickTool and automatically create the guidance images. To view the guidance images, select the Image Create icon, which is found below the Features panel. The number of readings required for each feature can be set in the Properties panel, located at the foot of the QuickTool panel. The image will show green spheres represent where the reading should be taken, and the red sphere where the user must compensate. These can be manually moved around the image to instruct where the user must probe. Ensure that the number of green spheres match the number of readings set in the feature properties. Simply select an Add Reading step in the QuickTool, and the associated image will be displayed. To add a sphere, simply select the icon from the ribbon, and then click on the image. To remove a sphere, select it and then press Delete. Review and edit each image as required. We now need to add an alignment to the QuickTool. First press the Record icon. Now create the alignment, and this will be saved as a step in the QuickTool. We can also add comment lines. These are useful to provide instruction to the user. And we can also save a cat view to the line. This allows us to set the final view that will become the main image on the report. The report is created as normal. However, we must record a step into the QuickTool. The Report Step properties provides the settings for the report template type and save options. Now press the stop icon. To complete the QuickTool, we need to drag and drop the alignment step into the correct position. This should be positioned after the final alignment feature. Review all features, and ensure tolerances are entered and report items are selected. Selecting the main program line shows the program properties. Here we can determine whether session information is needed. And the measurement window can be set to full screen, which helps when using guidance images. Now save the file to complete the QuickTool. This can now be published to our PM control server if required. To execute the QuickTool, simply press the play icon and follow that guidance images. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.